Little Bird Pool Services provides professional pool cleaning and pool maintenance and repair in Boca Raton and the surrounding areas of Broward and Palm Beach counties. As a family-owned business, Little Bird is focused on superior quality products and the best possible customer service experience. With over 10 years of professional experience, we provide dependable residential and commercial pool services. In addition to regularly scheduled cleaning and maintenance, we also provide pool remodeling, pool repairs, leak detection, and much more. We're always keeping up with the latest in pool tech, so you can rest assured that your pool will be kept sparkling clean. So please call us today to get your free estimate. We look forward to meeting you.